Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. My friend Marty challenged me, and even though I don't like to do things just because they're trendy, I feel like if this brings awareness to something that's going to be helping people, awesome. Okay, as soon as she challenged me, my husband started deciding how to do this before I even said whether I'd do it or not. And my daughter Shannon, who challenged you?
Ashley, Gracie, and...
Louder, guys.
Okay.
Are you ready?
No.
You have to lay down.
Lay down.
You have to lay down.
I am laying down.
Lay down, all the way down. Lay down.
I have to lay down.
On your back.
Okay.
It'll be fun. Don't
Yeah,
question
lay
it.
down. Lay down. And
Hold
you
your breath.
And you can't get up. Lay down. Shannon.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Shannon, all the way down, or
Okay.
I'm not doing it. All the way down. Head down. On the ground.
Keep going.
Shannon, on the ground.
Oh. Doesn't count. Shannon, get in the pool. There was some ice. There we go. Now it counts.
Are we good?
I think we're good.
Your shoes are floating away.
Yep.
Okay.
Bye, shoes.
Now,
Who do you challenge?
I would like to challenge my son Drew and his wife Belinda to come up with a more creative way than we did it.
Okay.
From the
Good
flooding
luck.
first.
Well then. We'll just have to figure something out.
Look at the yard.
Yep, the yard is full. It's flooded.
Okay.
We'll leave a little water there. They might want to use it.
More creative.
Oh, woo!
Sounds good.